Okay guys, welcome back. So we have completed the few topics in the previous session, like how to enroll the particular data from the enrollment page. As we saw how to display the particular data of the user who have currently logged in based on his details, we are displaying on the home page, right? So in this session we are going to wind up this project. We'll see what all the left out topics, like how to add the attendance and all those stuff. So let me start the server. So if you just press Control and backticks, so you can see the terminal will get open. So this is the one way to open the terminal. And one more shortcut way which I was using, so I think I have not said. So see, if I just press here and if I just press somewhere here, suppose this line, if I press Control D, you can see the same line will get replicated. Okay, this is the one thing. And if I press Control and zoom, I think this will work in your stuff. So if I press Control D and replicate, how this works means, so I think you need to go to this there is a keyboard shortcuts. Just click onto the keyboard shortcuts. So here if I just press cursor line down, so I'll just show you here. You can see here the copy line down. So this is the stuff which we can edit it. So if I just, it will be something Control Shift plus R something might be. So if you want to edit, you can just click here and just press Control D. So you can just save it, press enter and save it. So in that means if you just save this particular stuff, even you will be able to see that kind of stuff. If I just press Control D, the same thing will get replicated below. So that thing you can just notice over there. Okay, this is the one thing. So let me start the server. I'll just start the server, python manage.py run server. So once I run the server will get started. So this is the important command you need to remember. And python manage.py make migrations is also an important command, and python manage.py migrate is also an important command. And if I want to create a super user, so this is the command to create a super user. So that is the command, python manage.py create super user. So this is a command you need to these are the 4 or 5 commands you need to understand. So if I want to create a username as someone like I'll just use it something like what, Pawan. Okay, so Pawan, enter. Email address pawan@gmail.com, enter. Okay, so just enter the pawan@gmail.com. Password is Pawan. I'll just give PAVAN Pawan, and I'll just give Y and enter. So you can see the super user of Pawan has been created automatically. Okay, so you can create a number of super users. So the server is started. I'll just press Control and click onto this link. So the particular thing will get open, our website which we are going to create. This is the thing which has been logged in already. So which is the thing it has been logged in. If I just click onto the enroll now, so you can see it has been logged in with abcd@gmail.com, and this is a number which has been logged in, right? So we are already logged in now. So we saw how to enroll the particular data, and we know how to get this plan and selecting the particular trainer and referred by all those stuff. Now let's move on to the one more topic, that is a workout. So here there is something that is a workouts tab. So contact us tab we have completed. Here we have done, and services and the particular gallery you can able to add it by your own. So let me show you how to add the images. I think I have not shown you how to add the particular images. I'll show you the gallery tab over here. So then I will look on to the attendance part. So let me create one particular gallery table over here. Okay, so let me create a particular gallery table, so where I can easily able to add the particular what we can add the particular stuff like that. So first you have to install one module. So what is a module? To upload a particular images in the website, you have to add one module. That is the module name you need to make it as that is a pip install pillow. So you need to install this particular module, that is a pillow module. So what it going to do here is this particular okay, you can see it has been already satisfied. This is going to take the particular images and all those stuff from your pages. Okay, so this is the one module you have to install it. So once you have installed the module, so let me create one class. So let's tell create class. I'll use it as gallery. The class name I'll just give it as a gallery, and I'll just make it as model over here. So I'm not going to make a few of the stuff. So let me keep the normal thing over here, like what all the things we need to add it. So let me add the particular title of the particular stuff. I'll add the particular title to it, which is a character field of 100. Then I can add the particular text field as well. If you want, you can add, or else just leave it as it is. I'll just going to add the timestamp. I'll just add the particular timestamp over here. So then I'll be adding the particular workout picture. So I'll add it as a pics here. So I'll just tell it as an image. I'll just tell I want to add the particular image. So how can I add the image field? So image will be what? Image will be the particular file field, or it might be directly, it might be an image field as like that. Okay, so you can add the particular image field. So how to add that particular image field? I need to tell model start I will directly use as an image field. You can see it will be taken as an image field. Open the braces. Then I need to tell which is the, so here you see all the images and css are loading with the static folder. Now I want to upload the image. So basically in the database SQLite 3, the image of the particular path of the image is going to store, not the image, only the path where it is stored. So I'll create one directory here. I'll just create one directory. So see exactly where I'm creating. I'm creating in the Asva Fitness. So with this parent directory, I'm going to create it, the particular directory. So I'll just create one directory here. So the name I'll just give it as a media. So all the media directories I am going to store it over here. So what it's going to do here is all the images which I am uploading through the database, it is going to come here and going to store it. So here I'll just tell the image field where which is the folder it is going to stuff, the particular storing it. So I'll tell the upload stuff here. I'll just tell the upload to. So there is one attribute upload to. I can use this one, and I can tell which is the folder I want to create it. So I want one folder to create it inside this media directory and store the particular images. So I'll just tell it is the folder name as a gallery. Anything you can give it. Okay, so I'll just give it as this one. That's it. I'll just save like as it is. Then I'm going to return the particular image. I'm going to return the particular ID of the image. Okay, I'll just copy the same thing and I'll just paste it below here. So done. So we have added this. So once I add here, so one of the few of the thing you have to do it. So you have to go to the settings.python file. Here we need to add the media directory path. Here we need to add the particular media directory path. How we have added for the static directory, same as it is, I need to add it for the media directory as well. So let me see what is the exact stuff. So this is the one thing you need to add it. So I'll just add it here. So you can see these are two lines you need to add it. So I'll tell media directory. So the particular media URL I am going to add the /media, and the media root I am going to say, so just join the base directory and just load all the media files to it. Okay, so I'll just remove this slash from here. So I'll just tell like this, the media root and a media URL I need to add it. Okay, so this is the two things you need to add it inside your settings.python file, that you have created a media directory, and whatever the images you are going to upload it, that it's going to store into a folder that is media. So that is our media root. So once we have been add, I need to import the settings here. I need to, so basically this is our which is your setting, wherever you are having the settings.python file, that will be the project directory, the main directory of your project. Okay, so here we need to attach few other things. First I need to import the two stuff over here. So what we have to import here, we have to import the static directory from the django.conf.url static. I need to import static. Then from django.conf.import I am going to import this settings file. That's it. So once I have imported the settings, so now I need to attach the few of the stuff, like, so I'll going to attach this stuff here. What is this? This is the one thing I'm going to attach, which I have pasted it. So I'm saying whatever the static directories are there, so whatever the media URL we have, so that you can see settings dot media URL and document settings dot media root. So you can see the settings dot media URL and a media root. So whatever I have been attached, I am going to pass statically to our URLs. So from here itself, right, from the Django project URLs to Django application, our URL is going to redirect. Along with that, I want to redirect the media directory as well. So this is the things you need to add it. So once I save, it is done. Let me run the migrations, because whenever I created any of the module gallery stuff, whenever I am going to add anything over here, I need to run the migrations. So let me run the migrations over here. So let me run the migrations. Why it is creating like this? I'll just create here. I'll just tell Python. So okay, it's been created. Let me, okay, now it is clear. Okay, now I'll just tell Python manage.py make migrations, enter it. So the migrations will apply for the gallery model. You can see gallery model is been created. Then I'll just tell Python manage.py migrate. So I'm going to run the migrate command over here. So migrations is applied, done. So now I'll just copy this gallery and I'll put it into the administration, and I am going to attach to our administration site, that is admin.site.register. I want to register my gallery page as well. So I'll just save everything. So once I save, let me check whether it is working or not. I'll just press Ctrl Shift N. So it will be our administration tab. Okay, /admin. So let me log in with the administration credentials. So even you can log in now with the Pawan. So because I have created a super user Pawan, I can just show you PAVAN Pawan and PAVAN Pawan. So once I logged in, you can see the gallery page has been loaded into our administration site. So I'll click on to here. Let me add the few of that gallery. I'll just tell something as a dumbbell, DUMBL, dumbbell. I'll choose the file. I'm going to choose the file here. I'll just go to my desktop. I'm going to open the gym fitness, Azwa fitness, static directory. I have the images, so you can select any of the images. Okay, I want to display this image. Okay, I want to just save this image. Let me check whether it is saving or not. Once I saved, you can see the image is saved or not. Let me check. I'll open the gallery object. If I click onto this gallery image, you can see now it is going to the /media gallery folder and ar.jpg. That means our images is getting loaded. My images are getting stored. Even you can see I created an empty directory, it is a media. Now you can see the gallery folder is created and inside that ar.jpg images has been saved. So that kind of way we can just store our images easily in our Django projects. Now I want to load the image, whatever the images I have been added. I want to load it. I want to save here. I want to add one more image. I want to just tell biceps something. I'll just choose the file. I'll select this image and I'll just store it and I'll just save the image. Let me add one more image. So the image is bar and I'll just title is bar and image. I'm going to store this image and I'll just open and I'll just save it. So you can see we have added the 3 particular objects into our gallery. Now I want to load all this data into our website. Now I want to load all this data where inside our website. I'll just tell. So here I want to load all the data into my gallery page. So let me add a URL. If I click here, you can see it is not going to it because we are having only this many data, the particular URLs. Let me create one URL to it. I'll just name it as gallery. So this gallery has been going to the views.gallery file and it's going to run the gallery function. And let me create a function by the name gallery. I'll just create a function name that is gallery, which is going to redirect the gallery.html page. Okay, so now I need to create a gallery.html page here as well. I'll just create a gallery.html. I'll just tell gallery gallery.html page. Done. So in the gallery.html page, I want to see like where is it? I think in the profile. Yeah, I'll copy everything data from the profile and I'm going to copy everything from the profile and I'm going to paste everything in the gallery page. So I want to display my gallery in the container. So I'll just remove everything. So now basically I'm extending the base.html and I'm just giving the gallery name as gallery gallery. I'll just save it, the title name as gallery. I'll save all. Coming back to my website, let me check whether it is going to load or not. If I refresh, you can see it is going to the gallery page now, which is not having anything right now. So I want to tell here, I want to just create a container, div.container. I want to just create a container and this is the one thing I need to do. So let's tell div.row. I'll just create a row. In the row, I'm going to create a column, div.column of medium size. I want a medium size column of 4 star 3. So that means you can see if I just tell 1, 2 and 3. So as I said, in a row it is divided into 12 columns. If I tell 12 columns, I want to make for one I want a 4 column, for the 2 I want 4 column, for third image I want 4 column. So if I just show you like this, and I'll go to create, like I'll just tell h1, I'll just tell center, and I'll just create h1, I'll just tell gallery, I'll just save like this, and from the container margin from the top I'm going to give it as 2. So let me save. So this already I have said you before, so I'm just going a little bit fast. So if I refresh, so you can see I'm having a gallery here, and you can see I'm having 1, 2 and 3 stuff over here. That means I can load the images over here, I can load my gallery over here. So for that I'll just go to the getbootstrap.com. So let me see anything there in the home page. Let me go below, so whichever I can just copy, let me check which I can copy it. Okay, there is not something, some of the images, so you can just edit this data, but I don't want this to be added. So I'll just go to the getbootstrap.com. Simply I'll just select it as 4.6. Here I can just search for the cards. I can just search for the cards here. So if I come little bit below, so you can see we have the images over here. You can just choose whichever the images you like. So let me come little bit down. So I want something, this kind of image should be loaded. Okay, so you can use like that, anything which you can, or else you can just use like this, or the card image and a title. So even you can use such kind of images as well, whichever you like, you can just use that one. Okay, so even you can use such kind of images which has a card title and an image cap. So let me copy this stuff. So let me copy this, I think it will be fine. So where we are having a, they have given a column, but I'll just copy this card. Okay, I'll just copy this card. Okay, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just copy this much, and I'll come back here. Okay, I'll remove this one. I'll remove this 2 column. I want to put that particular card inside this column. Okay, I want to put that column inside this particular column over here. So I don't want any paragraph tag. I'll just tell uploaded. I'll tell here as a uploaded on, uploaded, upload, uploaded on. Here I want to just show the time. Here I want to show the title, so I'll just show the title over here, and in the place of a src I want to display the image, right? So let me see how can I do that one. First I need to pass all the images to this gallery.html file. How can I do that? Same as it is, let me show you below. I have been added stuff like that. So I'll just write it something. I'll just tell post is equal to, I'll just post is equal to, I'll tell from this particular, first I need to tell from where, which database table the images are coming and the gallery is coming. It is coming from the database that is a gallery. I'll copy it. I'll just tell here, that is I want to import first here. I want to import from the models. I'm importing a gallery. I'll just tell gallery dot objects dot all. I'm going to import like this, gallery dot objects dot all. I'll copy the post. I'll tell here I want to pass it as a dictionary. I want to just pass everything as a dictionary. What I need to pass, I want to pass this post, each and every post I need to just pass it as a dictionary to this context. Then I'll just copy this context, and I'm going to pass this as a dynamically to the gallery.html file. So now I'll just save all. So once I save all, now coming back to the gallery.html, now my all the images will coming over here, all the data will get here. So I can iterate using what? I can iterate using the for loop. I want to iterate using the for loop. So as I want the 4 column to be repeated each and every time, that is a 4 3s are 12. So that means if there are 12 images in a row, there will be displaying the 3 images like that. So here I'll apply the for loop. I'll tell for post in, which is the dictionary name. So the dictionary name is the post, right? From this particular key value I can iterate it. I'll tell for post in post, I want to copy this for loop, I want to end this for loop here. So basically in a row, for the each and every 4 column, this for loop is going to repeat it. Okay, so that is a thing which is going to happen. This is what it is going to happen. Let me enter it. sorry, I'll just tell here, I'll remove these unnecessary spaces, and I'll end a for loop like this. Okay, so now I want, now all the data will come here. So I'll tell for the post now. So I'll tell I want to load what? I want to load the image here. I'll iterate through dynamic. I'll just tell post dot, what is the attribute name? Image dot URL. I want to pass the URL here, and same way I need to pass here. That is what? Post dot, I want to pass the title. I want to pass it the title. So here what I need to pass here, I want to what is the name here? Here I need to pass the timestamp. I'll just tell I want to pass the timestamp in here when it is uploaded. I want to just tell post dot timestamp. I'll just save like this. I don't think let me check whether it is coming or not. I'll come back here. If I go to the the gallery page, so let me see. I cannot, okay, it is coming. You can see I can able to see all the data below. You can see I can able to see the picture of a dumbbell biceps uploaded on 12 September 10:45 am like this. So basically we are good with the gallery page as well. So if you add n number of images, it is going to display dynamically in your website. That is how the power of the programming, right? I'll just give one BR tag here. I'll just give 2 BR tags so it can load little bit, which can scroll little bit down. So now you can see it has been fine now. Okay, so like this we can able to create a gallery page as well. Okay, so the gallery page is been done now. So I hope you will be doing the rest, that is the services page. You can add a number of services and the about page as well. How to add it? Simple. Create a URL for it, create a particular views in this particular manner, and whatever the thing you are returning, which HTML file, just create one HTML file in the template. Only the 3 things you have to do it. Okay, so that is done now. So coming back to the models, we have done with this particular, and we have done with the membership plan, we are done with the trainer, we are done with the enrollment part, we are done with the contact particular class. So next, what is the thing here is I want to create a attendance. I want to take the particular attendance of the person who are coming daily. So I'll just create a database table name attendance. I'll just copy this particular model field. For the thing I can just take it here. So I had created Excel sheet. I don't know which is there or not. Let me check. So it's not there here. So okay, I had the attendance. Let's open it. So let's see what all the thing I have added over there. So I can just easily, I can just see that, and I can just create a database table over here. Okay, so here is that table, attendance table. Okay, so almost all the data has been done. So now basically we need to work on this 3 data. I'll just tell here, the first I need to work on the select date, login, logout, and trend by. So I'll just tell equals. Okay, so here I'll just give trend by like this. Okay, so now basically I want to see, first I want to select the particular date, like on this particular date I have been logged in. So so it will come here automatically. I think I can just give auto now. So this is the field I can just give directly. I'll just tell like this. I'll tell here the select date. So the select date is going to take today's date automatically. So which is the I'll just tell date time field auto now add, and blank is equal to true and null is equal to true is this. So auto now is add. I don't want this to be blank. It is automatically, it is going to add the today's date. Okay, so which is the field? That is a select date field. Automatically it is going to add the today's date whenever they are going to enter the stuff. I want to just take the time here. I'll just tell models dot here. I can, is there any time field here? You can see we have the time field. You can see auto now, it is auto now is also is there, but I want something to be displayed, something else here. So I can say models dot character field. I want to just store it in the form of a character field. I'll just give the maximum length of 200. Okay, basically I'll just keep it as a model field because it is just a data which is storing as a string, might be not as exactly as a date. So even the logout also I'll just store it in the character field, and which is the workout they have been did, like which is the workout they have been done. So I want to just store it, that is also in the 200 character, and even who have been trained by, even I want to just store it in this manner. I'll just return the same stuff, like I'll just return the particular same stuff, that is id. I want to return the particular id of it. Let me save this particular database table, that is attendance. I want to register into my administration, then I want to register in the gallery like how I have done as it is. Coming back to the views, here also I want to import the same stuff. Okay, so let me run the migration. So whenever you do any changes with your models.python file, always you have to run the migration. Python manage.py make migration, enter it. Python manage.py migrate, enter it. Okay, so always you have to run this kind of migrations. So coming back to the base.html file, here I have given something like workouts, right? So I'll just make it slash attendance, I'll just attendance. Okay, here I am going to change the name to attendance. Okay, I'll just make the change to attendance over here. Okay, so coming back to the URL, so whenever I click on to this attendance table, attendance tab, it is redirect to the slash attendance, right? I want to create a URL to it. I'll just create a URL to it. I want to run this attendance file, and I want to run this particular function. Coming back to the views, I want to copy exactly same as it is. I want to just run this function, which is going to return the attendance.html file. I'll remove the context here. I'll remove these two stuffs here. Okay, so basically I am running this attendance.html file. I am running this function of Python whenever the URL is been called for the attendance. So now I need to create a attendance.html file into my templates. I'll just create a attendance.html file into my templates. Done. I'll save everything. Everything has been saved. Exactly, I'll copy exact same stuff from the enroll.html to the attendance.html file. This is all a very simple way to do it. Why I'm telling, see, I'm just copying pasting only the few things I'm just changing, right? No need of typing. It is not you need to type everything. You can just, when if the things are already there, no need of typing. You can just copy paste and edit the stuff. I'll tell here the title name, I'll just tell attendance. Okay, I'll just tell here apply attendance, apply apply attendance. I'll just keep it as a apply the particular attendance. So here that's all. I'll just do it. So let's come to the website, click on, I'll refresh the project. You can see I got a attendance. Where is attendance? Is here. If I click on to the attendance, you can see apply attendance. I got the particular data now. So what are the attributes I have? I have the attributes of attendance I have, right? So we have a select date, so which is going to automatically add the date of that particular day. So just they need to add a login and logout date. That's it. So what is the login time and logout, and which is the workout and which is the train by they have been done. So for the login and logout, let me create a time field. First I need to say here select workout we have, and we have a trained by we have, right? So let me add dynamically or anything like that. So select workout is there, no? So we can add with the normal drop down also. Basically we have a trained by here, so they need to select a trainer, right? So even that I need to load dynamically. So basically the trainer table is here, right? So I need to load the trainer name as well there. So how can I do that? Already I have done, where first thing I'll check here whether he is logged in, whether he is logged in or not. First I'll check one condition. If the user is not logged in, I'm not going to show this particular attendance page. If the user is not logged in, then I'm going to take all the data, like in the enrollment you saw here. First we are going to select trainer. You can see select trainer attribute. I'm going to pass it here. First I want to tell select trainer. Along with that I'll tell context is equal to, I'll just tell select trainer is equal to select trainer. So I'm just passing as a dictionary, right? Select trainer to select trainer. I'm just passing that stuff, and I'm just passing this context to this HTML file. That's it. Okay. So coming back to this here, so I think yeah, everything is perfect. Membership, I don't need it. So now trainer is been coming over here. Let me check whether the trainer is coming passing or not. If I come here to this page, if I just select the trainer, you can see the trainer are coming, but the memberships is not coming because I don't need this one. But nothing, I want a trainer, I want it. Okay. Along with that, I need to keep only the things which I wanted, right? First thing is what? Coming back to the top, I want to keep the messages here. Action is there. So rather than /join, I want to, whenever the request method is post, I want to redirect back to this attendance folder, attendance URL. So I'll just keep it as a /attendance. So I'm just going to keep it as a /attendant as a action whenever the request is a post, and the CSRF token, it is mandatory. So here it is going to take a name. I don't want to take a name. Okay, I think I forgot one thing to load it. First, let me do that one. I suddenly remembered that. So like how the person will get to know that he is the person who is been applying the attendance, right? That is the main thing we have forgot. So basically everywhere in our data, so our phone number is, which is the phone number, the particular phone number is one thing which we are going to iterate it, right? So even in the login as well, we are login through the phone number, right? So phone number will be a unique primary key into our website. So the phone number won't be duplicate of anyone's, right? So I need to add one data as well here. So that is, I want to add a phone number as well. So here I'll just tell it as 15. So this will be our primary key, that is a phone number. Okay, this is an important one. I'll just keep it below. So as I did changes into my administration, as I did the data in the models, so I need to run the migrations again. I'll tell python manage.py make migration. So here something it is coming here. So it is telling me provide a one default value for existing null value something. So it is telling the for existing, I'll provide one, enter it. I'll tell something, enter here. Okay, you can see added phone number to attendance. So again I'll tell migrate. So migrations is been applied. That's it. Okay, so you can just added the particular data field, that is phone number. So now for the phone number I am going to store the data. So how I'll store, let me check here. Coming back to the attendance.html file, first automatically it should select the particular phone number. Okay, so how can it select here? So it is selecting the email, right? So I don't want the full name, I don't want this name, and I don't want the email file. I'm going to delete it. First thing is what it is going to, I'll tell here, select the particular workout, select the particular workout. So here I can just tell, right, select the particular workout, select the workout. Here I'll tell I want to sell whether they are in the biceps. So wherever you are adding the values, you need to add in the value is equal to bicep. Is whenever you select bicep, it will just select it. So if I just select, if you just for displaying purpose, you are adding into the option. Value is equal to something means it is just iterating the value and it is storing into the database. It is just passing those value to our backend. Okay, so biceps, I'll just add the triceps workout. Okay, so same as it is, I want to add few of the stuff. I'll just make it empty. I'll add 1 2 3 something. I'll add later, you can add a number of things. So these are, I'm hard coding the data. So biceps I'll add as a shoulders. So even you can tell, see, I'll click here and I'll press alt. Again I want to click here. I want the both the places the data should add it. I'll just tell here it says shoulders. So you can see both the places the data is adding. So click here, press alt and click here also. So the shoulder, and I'll just tell it as a chest, and here I'll just tell alt press for the apps, AB as apps. Here I'll just select, here I'll just select, and what are the things out left, back. Okay, I'll just tell here, and here I'll just select, here I'll just tell they have done the warm up exercise. Okay, I'll just tell warm up. Okay, warm up. And here I'll just select is as only the treadmill. We already did treadmill. Then even I can, let me add only this stuff, so you can add a number of stuff later. Okay, so they can just select this kind of workout. Okay, then here the main concepts come. So here the phone number, right? So here I want to take the particular data phone number as well. So first I want to display this condition here. First I will display this particular okay, I'll just cut this one. First I want to show the phone number of the person who are doing the attendance. So first I need to take phone number. It will automatically, it is going to take, and it will be only read only, and they'll select the particular workout as well. So here the ID, I'll just go it as a workout, and the name I'll just store it as a workout. So where I can iterate the particular value. Done. So next here, so first I want to tell the login time. So I'll just tell log login. I'll just tell it a login time. So what is the login time? I'll just tell enter, select login time. I'll just display the login time. So here I'll just tell type is equal to time here. So let me see it comes or not. You can see it is coming here. So login time you can select, they can select the particular timing over here. You can see they can select the particular time. For that I want to display something here. I want to display inside the form group. I am going to display one label. I'll just tell this is a login time. Here I'll just tell login. I'll just display as a login. So you can see it will be something looking like this. Login, it is coming like this. So I want to make, I'll give one class is equal to text white. I want to make the particular text to white color. Okay, so where we are having a login time, same as it is, I'll just keep it as a logout time. Okay, so login and logout, so I'll just keep it as a logout here. So same way everywhere I'll just change it to logout. Okay, logout. Okay, done. That's it. So yeah, so this is the one thing I have added. So I can add the ID as well. ID is equal to, I want to tell ID is equal to login. Here also I'll just add the ID is equal to login time. Same way I'll just going to copy here and I'll just paste it here as well. That is, I'll just keep it as a logout. Okay, that's it. So yeah, let's keep the placeholder as logout. Save it. So then, so I don't want the membership plan. I'll remove this one, and I want to remove this as well. What are the things I have? Rest. So phone number, login, logout, select the workout added, and a trend by, right? So trend by is there. So did I remove? I think I removed that one. Okay, select trainer, I need it. So that's it, I need. I'll just remove rest of the stuff, and I'll just make it as apply attendance. I'll just save it. Okay, if I come back here, if I refresh, you can see I am having automatically the number has been taken. I can just select the particular workout, you can see, and I can just select add the particular when I have been logged in at 7:45 and I logged out at 21 AM. Then I can just select any trainer and I can apply the particular attendance as well. Okay, so you can see very simply we can create the particular form. So we have done with the front end part. Now only the left out part is the backend data now. So how to handle the data and store it into the database. Then same data I want to display to the user as well. So it is very kinda simple. Let me take stuff like this. So where is it in the models? I'll just see the same login logout same as it is I have been taken. I'll just copy exactly. Coming back to the views, I'll say where is apply attendance. Apply attendance here. I'll just simply for the reference I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to copy this 2 line of code. Okay, where here, not here, here. Selecting the trainer here. I'll tell if the particular request dot method is equal to post request. First I want to take the particular phone number of the person. I'll tell I want to take the phone number where it's having the attribute same as it is phone number. Then I want to take a login time of the person. I'll just tell here login. Here also I'll just tell here it's a login. So then I want to take a logout stuff. I'll tell here where is it, here. I want to take the logout time of the person, and with this been provided as a logout. So then I want to take the workout name. So what is the workout they have been taken? So I'll just tell select workout is equal to workout, and I'll want to take who have been trained by data, that is by trend by. I'll just select like this, and I'll just tell trend by is equal to trend by. Okay, so the above one I'll delete it. For the reference I just copied. Okay, so let's keep the code clean. So now when the request is a post request, so the data will come as it is, however I have been displayed. So let me check, cross verify what all the data I have been passed. First I need to take the phone number. So the phone number name is phone number I have given. Here is also, it is also a phone number I need to give it. Okay, so that I need to make sure. Sorry, it's coming here, the phone number. So it is a case sensitive. If your capital letter and small letter also mismatches, so it is a variable, and you are just storing, you are getting the data from this particular variable, that is name. Then coming back to the workout, so here is a name workout is here, so I want to change this as well. I'll just say the workout itself here. Then I want to see login, what I have given, login time I have given, same as it is. I need to provide the login time as well. Here I think I have given as a logout. Okay, now coming back to the next, it is a trend by. So here I have given trainer. I want to copy the name is equal to trainer, and I want to pass it same as it is here as well. Okay, so not here, here trainer. Okay, now I got the data from the front end, so just I want to store it into our back end. That's it. So have I, you can say I have imported a database table, that is attendance. Now I just need to store the attendance of the person. I need to just store the attendance of the person here. So you can add a number of data. Next I'll just tell here query is equal to, I'll just tell attendance. For the attendance, first I want to store the phone number of the person. I'll just tell phone number is equal to, I want to just store the phone number because it is same as it is which I have taken. Then I want to tell login is equal to login, comma. Then I'll just tell logout is equal to logout. I want to just pass the values of a logout here. Then I want to just pass the select workout is equal to select workout, comma, then trend by is equal to trend by. Okay, I'll just select like this. This is all the data I've got. Now I'll just want to save the query. I'll just tell query dot save. I want to save all the data into my database. Done. Then once it has been saved, I'm going to tell here one message, attendance applied. I'll just tell attendance applied successfully, attendance applied success. Okay, I'll just tell app applied success. Okay, then once it has been done, I'm going to redirect back to the same page. I'm going to redirect back to the slash attendance page. That's it. Okay, so this is, will let me try. Now I hope you have understood, like just we are taking a data from the front end, and I am passing here back end. When the method is a post request, it takes all the attributes and it is going to store the data into the database, and it is returning one message, that is attendance is applied successfully, and it is redirecting back to the attendance page. Let me save all and check one. Let's do one testing. Okay, it took my attendance. I want to select, I did a bicep workout. My login time was morning 8 a.m. to, I'll let the logout time was 10 a.m. Okay, I'll select the trainer, something Rihanna MS. I'll click on to the apply attendance. You can see attendance applied success. Perfect. Let me check here into my database now. If I come here, I want to see the attendance of here. So you can see it has been created object. You can see the perfect data has been stored. That means our attendance is been applied, and it is going to store in our database as well. So it is good, right? So I can see my attendance as well over here. So this is the administration who is going to see. I want something, I want to see my attendance myself. I want to see the attendance here, what all the attendance I have. So here you see I have enrollment details page. Here I have the enrollment details page. So I want to display the attendance here also as well. How can I display the attendance? Let me check here. Coming back to the profile, I can make this page still more better, I guess. I can just make this still more better. How can I do that one? Let me do here. Okay, turn back, and all the data has been there. So here I am just created a row here. Okay, I want to just keep it as a 4 column. Let me check. It will come like this. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just keep this 6 column itself. and whatever the for loop is there, for loop I don't want, I will remove this for loop here. I'll tell enrollment details, whatever the enrollment details is there, I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'll just cut this enrollment detail, and I'm going to paste it here. So I'll tell I want to take a 4 column for this, and I want to give the 6 columns to this, and not 6, I'll just give the 8 columns to that. 4 plus 8 is 12, right? And I'll remove this to 1. I'm going to paste it here. You can see now it is coming at right hand side, the particular enrollment data I am getting here. So all the data has been there, and here I have used as a h2, right? Because of that it is coming weirdly. I'll just copy this h2, I'll press Ctrl H. Wherever there is a h2, I want to replace which h5. I'll replace everywhere the h5. I'll save it. If I refresh, now you can see it is coming fine. Now it is kinda fine. Okay, great. So then even whatever the dark is there, I want to just tell wherever the dark is there, I want to make it as a info. I'll just save it. Now you can see it will come into this color. Okay, it is fine to me. There is no, it is fine. Okay, I want to let it be like this, and wherever the text white is there, or else I'll just make it the info to warning. Okay, I'll just display info to warning, and wherever the text warning is there, I want to just make it as a text dark. What is it? Wherever the text to warning, okay, it is not there, so I'll just tell as a text white. Wherever the text white is there, I want to make it a text dark. Save it, Ctrl S, coming here and refresh. Now it is fine to me. Okay, now it is coming perfectly. Now I want to create one database table. I want to create a table. I want to display the attendance over here, where this is the first loop, so that is nothing but in the 4 column I'm displaying this, right? So now I want to display my attendance in this 8 column. I want to display my attendance here in the 8 column. How can I do that? So I'll tell here div, I'll just tell div center. I want to display h2. Here I'll tell attendance, attn attendance. You can just tell attendance data. I'll refresh, so you can see I'm having attendance data at the top here. Okay, so I can just make it as a bold here as well. I'll just keep this in the bold tag. Okay, and I can just give the class name here. Class is equal to, I'll just tell it as a display 4, and from the margin from the top give it as a 3. Now it will look something nice. Let me see. So you can see now it's looking something good. Okay, now I got the attendance data. I want to display his attendance data of the Virat. I want to display all the attendance data. So he had given the attendance, right? So of the today's date. So let me so this is the one thing done. Now I want to display one in the form of a table. So I'll go to the getbootstrap.com. I'll search for the table here, tables tables. So you can see I got a table. So let me check which is the good table I have. I have this one, I have this as well. So the coloring we'll see later. Let me copy one normal table first. Okay, I'm going to copy this table. Okay, I'll just copy this table. I'll copy the table and I'll just simply paste it here. If I just paste this table, you can see it will look something like this. It will look something like this. So you can see it will look something like this. But I want something different, right? I want something different. What is that thing you need to have? So first I will remove this table row of the 2 column. I want to apply the for loop for here. For this table row, I want to apply the for loop. What are the thing I want to display first? I want to display the particular, I want to display first what? Coming back to the models. First I want to display the date. I want to just display the date. I want to just display the, where is it? Very confusing. Okay, here I want to just display the date. I'll just display the date here. Then here I'll just display the particular what I can apply. So I'll just display the date, and here I'll display the login time. Here I'll display the login time. Here I want to display the logout time, and here I want to display the workout, and here as well I want to display the trend by. So So I want to display this four stuff here. So that is a date, login, logout, workout, and trained by. I'll just save everything. And now coming back to my views. So where is the profile is here, right? So same as it is, how I filtered the username, that is a post. Same as it is, I want to filter the one more thing. What is the thing I want to filter? I want to filter the user here. I want to just filter the users, user name or something. Okay, I'll just filter the user. I'll just filter the what again, attendance, attendance. I'll just filter the attendance. From which? From the table that is attendance. I want to filter the attendance. I want to check the phone number of the attendance. So in the models, there is a table that is the attribute, that is phone number. I want to filter this phone number. I want to filter this exact phone number to the user phone number, that is who is currently logged in. If it is matches, I want to all the data, I want to get it in the form of a attendance. I'll just pass as attendance dot attendance. Okay, done. So now even the attendance is coming to the context now. I'll just show you how. So now all the data is coming in the form of a dictionary as attendance. Now coming back to your profile, here I need to apply a for loop, where here I want to just apply a for loop. I'll apply a for loop here. I want to remove this td. Okay, I'll just remove this td. I want to just cut it here. I want to paste it here. So I'll tell for, I want to apply for EA, that is I'll just tell for attend in attendance. What is the spelling? I don't know. I have given as a attendance, right? So you need to use same as it is attendance. For attend in attendance, I want to get the data. First I want to display what? First I want to display the date, right? So I'll just tell attended dot, I want to get attend dot. First I want to get the selected date, which is the date they has been added. I'll tell attend dot attend the particular selected date. As it is, I want to tell one more thing, that is a attend dot. What is the next I have given here? I want to display the login date. That is it here. I want to display the login date. Then as it is, I want to just display the logout. I want to display the logout here. And for the workout, what is the workout data field I have given? I have given as a select workout, right? I need to use same. I want to use the same, that is I'll just tell I want to display the select workout for the workout, and for the trained by, I want to copy this same as it is. I want to just tell whatever the trained by is there, I want to display. So you can see it is a header columns, and for the below, for the row, tr means table row, th means table head, td means below date head, whatever the thing should display. For the date, it should display date. For the login, it should display login. For the logout data, workout data, and trained by data, it should display. Okay, here I'll just tell table, I'll just make it as a warning here, table ted warning, that is yellow color, it will be there. Let me save the data. Coming back to our stuff, if I refresh, can you see here, I can able to see the date, I can able to see the login time, logout time, and the bicep workout they did, and trained by Rihanna MS at the date 12 September at 16th AM, 1:16 AM. You can see here, right? So why above the data is coming? Let me check. I think here I have not removed. I'll just remove these two data as well. So what is this? I had kept from okay. Table. I think I had duplicated the table. Let me remove this table. Okay, it will be removed. Done. Now our data is perfect. If I say come here and if I refresh it, so now you can see attendance data has been coming daily. Okay, so even I will apply one more attendance. Suppose I did the shoulder workout as well. So I think I came at 21 hour and I logged out at 22 hour. So this time I got no one, I got trained by no one. I'll just save, apply the attendance. The attendance is applied. If I just go back to my profile, you can able to see, okay, it is coming or not? It is not coming. Yeah, it is coming, but the data is getting mismatched, right? So it is coming up and down, login, logout, workout by, again something happened. So let me check why it is coming like that. So table row, okay, I need to apply like this, Control X. I need to apply for loop above, and I want to cut the for loop and put below here. Now it will come, I think, perfectly. You can see now it is coming perfectly, right? So this is how we can apply the particular attendance. So this is only for the person who is been signed in, so who have been signed in, like who has been logged in. I will just click on to the logout here. So if I log out, now if I try to log in with my credential 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, I'll give the password as my, which I have been logged in. Now you can see I have been logged in as Anis. So if I just go to the view profile, I can see only my data here. I cannot see someone else's data. If I apply the attendance now, if I apply the particular attendance now, if I just select the particular tricep, I'll just tell login was 12 and I have logged out at something like 14 hour. Select trainer, Darshan, Kirtik, apply, done. Now you can see if I go to the view profile, I can see only my attendance, not someone else. So like this, how we can able to track our attendance and profile and apply, and I have shown you how to enroll it, and I have shown you how to view the particular profile, and we have seen the gallery page as well. So you can see the gallery also has been coming like this, which has been given by the stuff. I hope you guys will be creating a about page as well as a services page by your own. List all the tabs have been completed. So this was about the entire project. Where so here we have few of the stuff. This is nothing. So which is this? It is an index.html page, right? So this is an index.html page. From here it is coming. Just everything is a hard coded data. So you can just duplicate. You can just remove this entire data and you can just keep it whatever you like. If you want, you can just keep it like this, and if you want to add your services section, you can add the call to action, and you can add the contactors and all those things. You can just edit it by your own, because everything is a hard coded over here. There is no backend connected to this. You can just hard code the particular data. Rest all the things is been done. So our project is been done successfully. So this is how we can create the stuff. And for the hosting, now if you want, suppose you want to host this project. So I have been in my channel, I have already added the hosting video. You can but it is not necessary. If you want to host this project into some servers or like that, if you want to get the coding access, like if you want to know how to host it, so you can just go to here and let's select you the playlist here. So I think in some, okay, I'll tell you this, just to follow this one last two video, very simple. Just 10 minutes of 10 to 15 minutes you can just host it. So I think which is that playlist? Okay, Django playlist is here. So you can see here there are two videos. So that is a here deploying our Django project is the 19th video at the Heroku platform. So at 19th 20 you can just watch these two stuff. So 20 and 20 34 minutes of video. If you can just watch the same as it is, you need to host this website also. Just watch that. If you want to host it, you can just watch and host this particular project into your particular data. So I have given you guys the attendance one assignment. So where you guys want to create a portfolio, right, which is Darshan has been created. So same as it is, you can just which he has sent the link into the group. So same as it is, you can just host a particular project, this particular project as well. You can host it in that particular manner. Okay, so this is all about the entire project. Okay guys, thank you for cooperation.